Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 10A Clarke Road in Morley. If you've been looking for a family home that's only a stone's throw to a primary school, short distance to a major shopping centre, and also only a short distance to one of the major highways, then this renovated family home is the one for you. Boasting a kitchen almost as big as a lounge, plus we've got timber floors throughout and high ceilings as well. It's going to be a great place to bring up the family. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour of 10A Clarke Road in Morley. As you can see, not only is it a fabulous location, it's fabulously presented as well. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.